Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create number of table when if if we make this any object, any project is a bigger project, and number of more quantities, number of more parts, components has been assembled. So it is very important for create the BOM. BOM is bill of material. When bill of material generated from our AutoCAD sheet, so very important for BOM generation. So where is it find out BOM generation when I show you today this session, because the BOM is a systematic, so the member parameter of distance and thickness, width, length, everything is calculate the section. So now let's go for use table. So first of all, you look like here, look at this. First of all, this diagram. Okay, then after I will show you table here. Look at this table here. In the home of table right now, click the table, and here the different option of table preview. If I set the table like this type of table setup, if you another thing you want this, so table setting is more importance. If you want the table settings, table arrangement, and you want to number of quantities of table, I want 10 is column, and row is also called 10. Okay, then between the distance, right now distance is more important. How much distance do you want between two circle? So when I click this 10 mm, and also raw between distance is 10 mm, right? So this is the specify sentence. When I go to specify window, so enter this, and I want the particular area. So look at this here, table I have create. Now look at this, make the table. If I want to increase the size, so when I will click the SC enter like scale, and I want to scale from this number of 4 times. So where is it? Look at, I'm show you this table actually. So how is it work right now? Table when look at this, I will zoom forward. This is table here, and provide the distance. If I want to maintain this table, so click and come to, and we want to size here. So it is make the adjustment is very important from this BOM table. Okay, so it is more importance for create the BOM table from AutoCAD. It look like here, very easy to understand. Look at this here, generate from journal table. So thank you for watching.